Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the rear door panel on Peugeot 307cc. It's actually not a door panel because there is no door there, but that panel, it's just underneath the rear side window. So first we're going to remove the rear seat. In order to remove the rear seat, we just need to pull out the seat. Just you get it up there with your hands and just pull it up, and then the same on the other side. Next we're going to remove this plastic trim. In order to remove it, we just need to pull it out. Next we're going to be removing the plastic trims in front of the window regulator. First we're going to remove this plastic trim. I'm using a plastic pry tool to remove those plastic trims. They're all on clips, so all you need to do is pull them out. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to remove this handle. First I'm going to remove this plastic part of it, and there is two Torx bolts holding the other plastic. After we remove those two bolts, there is another two bolts holding the handle in place. Next I'm going to remove this window button, and then I'm going to remove the electrical connector. To remove the electrical connector, there is a clip over there. You need to push it out instead of push it in order to remove the electrical connector. Just push it out. Now that I've removed everything from this panel, I can just take out the panel. I might want to pull it out a little bit because there is still some clips that it's holding on to. Just pull it out and it will come out eventually.